Hi, my friend. Let's dedicate this meditation to connect with all there is through basic 3 steps. We connect to our breath. Make sure you're sitting comfortable or lying down. Let's start by taking a deep breath and bringing your attention inwards. Now, when you breathe in, become aware that the breath occupies the whole body. Breath always following awareness. If you're aware of your whole body, the breath immediately will fill up the whole body. Try to feel your inner body. Try to feel it as a whole. And gently, when you breathe, try to acknowledge that the breath and the energy are filling up each and every corner, including the toes, the fingers, the face, the scalp. Everything is acknowledged that it gets nourished with the breath. Not only with the breath, with the life force, which depend on the awareness. When you're aware of the whole body, the life force automatically is present in the whole body. As if you're signaling to creation your existence. And then creation immediately nourishes you. Immediately. If your attention is outside the body, thinking about something else, the life force is not available for you because your mind is not acknowledging your wholeness. It's very simple. So become aware. Teach your mind to become aware of the whole body, as if you're seeing your body from inside. And now start to feel that your body, your inner body, your energy body is vibrating. Try to feel at once your whole body. The legs are vibrating, the arms are vibrating, your whole torso vibrates, your head vibrates. That's how you know that you are alive. You are vibrating. And exactly like in an orchestra, everything must be in tune. So as you're aware of your body vibrating, you might be aware of parts of your body, of your mind, of your emotions, of your energy that they are not synchronizing. They're in different tune. Maybe they feel heavy. Maybe they feel separated. Maybe they feel emotional. Maybe they feel tense. It doesn't matter what. Just invite those parts to soften and become part of the whole. Now your mind acknowledging or acknowledged that you is that physical form. But now let's acknowledge that you is also a wider form, your aura, your energy field. So visualize that around your body there is a space, a living space, and that space become now your body. And into that space, invite also all the different parts that doesn't feel in accord with vibration to synchronize, to relax. Your awareness has to include the whole field of vibration, as well as those parts that are not synchronized. When your awareness is holding that way, in that way, when your awareness is held in that way, everything starts to vibrate together. And now let's expand to the max, meaning that you acknowledge that the whole creation is your body. So your mind is now infinite. And now you have even much, much, much infinite space to synchronize with. That state of infinity is actually home, is actually the way we're supposed to feel and to be 24/7. So we have to train our system, especially our mind, to acknowledge that home is infinity. And like that, different parts that are held in tension out of separation will come back home. And you know you're coming home because you start to feel better, more relaxed, more comfortable, at peace. Blessing on your practice, my friend. Have a beautiful, beautiful life.